99% of you will scroll away from this property, but only the 1% know that this same property can generate $5,200 a month in cash flow as a short-term rental. And you can set this up in the next 30 days without having to buy it or step inside the property. Watch me blow your mind. This is a property I found in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, and is listed for rent for $3,000 per month. A similar property is charging $897 per night at a 61% occupancy rate. They make $200,000 per year, but let's be conservative and say that we can bring in $116,000 per year. Expenses, we're looking at $4,427 per month, including the rent. At a 63% occupancy rate, charging $505 per night. That leaves us with $9677 per month in revenue and a net income of $5,200 per month. Absolutely insane. Now, of course, it's not that easy or else it wouldn't be that profitable. But the process is simple. Here's what you have to do. First, reach out to the landlord and negotiate a sublease agreement. You're going to pay them rent plus a $100 bonus each month, and you're going to give them free property management. Second, we're going to add amenities to this property to stand out from our competition. You can use sites like Wayfair, Target, or Amazon. Our property has a cool deck, so we're going to highlight that. We're going to add string lights, a fire pit, and a hot tub if your budget allows. Third, set up your boots on the ground team. We need to find cleaners, movers, and also handymen. This team will allow you to manage your property 100% remote. Step number 4, we need to get as many eyeballs on our listing as possible. So we're going to launch on Airbnb, VRBO, and also Booking.com. We're going to sync our calendars and also automate our messaging through a site like Guesty. I've set up 6 properties, making me $350,000 per year in net income using this strategy. If you're interested in setting one of these up yourself, comment the word bridge and I'll send you an invite for my free live training.